from my favorite happy place for this episode, and we're going to talk all about how the crochet series for 2021 is going to be all about life at the beach.
Hi everyone, welcome to the Stitch Sessions and welcome to our sneak peek into our crochet series for 2021. So our theme for 2021 is Life is a Beach. So we know during 2020, life threw us some curveballs. So I got some inspiration by being able to sneak away over the summer months to some local parks and beaches when we were able to, and just kind of appreciate being able to be outside and enjoy nature and be by the water. Luckily in Southern Ontario, we have a lot of beautiful beaches close by to us. And it got me thinking to the different ways we can use crochet in the summer. So throughout 2021, our crochet series is going to take you on a journey to some of the various little locations that I visited and that inspired me to work on some summer crochet projects. And I find that sometimes in the wintertime, having a little thought of summer or warmer times goes a long way to keeping us inspired throughout the winter months, along with, of course, doing all the fabulous winter crochet that comes along with winter. So just a little sneak peek into where we're going to be taking you in January is to a beautiful beachy area a little further north on Lake Huron. So that's all we're going to say about that. We're going to talk about the item that we're going to crochet, and one other thing I will let you in on is that we used Lion Brand's Summer Nights yarn, and it's a super fine yarn. And it's perfect for crocheting summery, beachy, very light items. And those of you that have ever done our summer blouse item, back in 2019, we did a crochet summer top. We used the same yarn for that. And I'll leave a link for that particular item in the description box down below, and it'll give you more details on the yarn itself. So on that note, that's it. That's all. That's the only sneak peek we're going to give you. So return back here on the first Wednesday in January, where you'll find out what January's beach item is. In the meantime, we hope that you have enjoyed some of the extra uploads I've been putting up on the channel as we have led up to the final days of 2020. Hopefully a little something to keep you entertained and keep you busy, as I know many of us are celebrating the holidays very quietly and solitarily in our homes this year. So as always, stay well, stay healthy, keep your spirits up, everyone. Take good care of yourselves. Happy crocheting, and I will see you all in 2021. Happy New Year!